All right, so just a reminder for those of us that still need to turn in to get our saves to come through on CodeApp. I still have quite a few people not turning in, so I'm not going to do too much with it. We're going to go to these 3 lines. You hit share, and you get the link to the shared view. Then you'll click on enable sharing, and it takes what is essentially a screenshot of what you're working on. So you hit copy, and that copies your link to your clipboard, and then you can paste it in the Canvas document. So I know I still have like 5 people still working on it, and that's okay. Totally fine, just get it turned in. But that's how you get the link to turn it in, is you go to, I'll do it again. So to get the link to turn it in, to screen, so have everything you want on the screen, any text you want, any words, any numbers, whatever you need. You click on the 3 lines, you hit share, you get your link to your shared view, and then enable sharing. This link down here is what you want to copy and send to me in Canvas. In Canvas, let's see, where's my thing? There we go. On the Prime page, which is the Spider-Man, in our current module, you can scroll down. That's not what I wanted. This one. Hurricane submission is this guy right here. When you click on that, it's going to give you a box, so it won't have this page. This is the teacher page. It'll look very similar to this, but it's just going to have a text box down here where you're going to type in, and that's where you're going to paste your link right in this box. Cancel. Cancel. So you just got to paste your link in here. That's all I need you to do. You don't have to type anything. You don't put your opinions here. Just put your link here. Everything should be on your CodeApp page. You can put text boxes. You can put show those numbers, anything you have on here. Close. To add a text box, you just click on that little text. You can type whatever you want. You can change the color, size, whatever you need to. Okay, so share your opinions. Make sure you look at that rubric that I gave you. I have more copies of it up here if you need it. That's what I'm grading it with. I'm going to use the rubric, and I will physically hand you a rubric when I go through and grade these. Okay, so use the rubric like a checklist. Make sure you've got everything on there that you need to. Show me the data you used. Tell me your opinion. Give me the words. Okay? So, but I know I still have some people working on it because I still have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are not turned in yet. So I'm not going to talk through every detail of it. But I want you guys to submit, because I want you guys to submit it. I want you to do it of your own opinions. This is a graph that I put together. Just a graph. It doesn't have any data on it. But we can start to see some things. So I want you to use tools. They have graphs here. You can adjust things around. I can change things. I can zoom things out. I can put color coding on stuff. I can change the color. I can come over here to this little ruler and get some data on here. I could get a box plot. We just built those the other day, where I got myself a box and whisker plot. I can come here and get some values of Q1, Q3, my upper quartile, my median. And it highlights some information so we can see it. If I want to see a specific point, I can see right here, Hurricane Nestor. I can see on this one, Hurricane Gustav. So there's all kinds of stuff we can do. Well, these really light ones. That's going to be an old one. So whatever you need to do to form your opinion is what you do. And once you formed your opinion and you wrote it down, that's when you go up to those 3 lines. You hit share, and you get your link to your shared view. Okay, that's what you're sending it to me. And I'll go through and grade these over the next week, and I'll get them back to you probably by the end of the week. Hopefully. There's only 20 of you. Okay. Tomorrow we'll go on with working with some of our stuff and working with some of our data. and all that jazz. All right? So I do encourage you to work on Olympic hopefuls, which is homework 6 in this chapter. You should be able to work on most of them. The only one I'm going to say probably don't do is the arm span one because I don't have our current data in it. But I'll get it there.